Hey YouTube! So I just filmed an intro to my video today that I will be posting today, but it ended up being a 4-minute long intro and I just realized I was talking way too much. So I'm gonna refilm it. This is the refilming, and give some highlights. I posted my first video last week. I have 1 subscriber. Shout out to my 1 subscriber. If I was more organized, I would know exactly who you are. Like, I would say your name right now, but I'll just type up the name on the screen. So that's pretty exciting. I don't look great right now. I don't feel great right now. After I posted my first video last week, I got sick. Highlight number 1. So I want to be consistent with this channel. I found a clip again from the Lost Vlogmas that it's just 1 straight clip talking about a pretty cool plant called an ox tongue. I will just let myself in the clip kind of describe it, but I'm just gonna post this video about this ox tongue. So if you want to know a little bit about the plants, I take care of plants. I have lots of succulents, and one of them is an ox tongue. Then keep on watching, and hopefully next week there will be a better video. There'll be better footage. Everything will just be better next week. So thanks so much for checking out this video. See you next week.
So here is just a little selection of some little baby plants I have. Definitely not like the most that I have. These are the ones that, like, you know, when you're, I don't know if you know, but when you plant succulents, sometimes the little leaves fall and you can start your own little babies. But the ones I was excited about are these tiny little ones. So this succulent is called an ox tongue, and they grow split like this, right? And so I have 2 big ox tongues, and for fun I tried to separate them. Here, I'll show you the mama ox tongue. Here is the mama ox tongue, and like, it's super cool. It grows out all kind of geometric and twisty like that, but it also, like many succulents, grows little babies, right? And you can pull those out and plant them so that they grow just like regular succulents. And so I pulled some out. Sometimes they break in half, but I decided to try a little bit of an experiment. These 2 were the ones that I was able to pull out intact. They seem to be, well, that guy's a little brown, but in general they seem to be going okay. Now that after being in these 2-inch pots, I will probably move them into a bigger pot so that they can have more room to grow. But these guys were the ones that kind of broke, right? And so instead of throwing them out just for fun, I just planted this 1 little tongue in the dirt. And so this is how it has looked for such a long time, for weeks, almost like months basically. It was just this little tongue sticking out of this dirt, and I would water it and just check on it every once in a while. And it wasn't until today that I saw that it's growing even more tiny little baby ox tongues. And this is just so cool because, like, to me, this is kind of unprecedented. This was totally an experiment, and they're growing. So, I don't know. Just some fun plant stuff.